Did you poke the microphone hole instead of the SIM tray for your Samsung Galaxy S23, S24, S25 or S26? Now you can see here right next to the battery port or the USB port, there is a hole here. This hole is actually the microphone hole, so sometimes people accidentally poke into here and try to eject the SIM tray. So what you really want to do is to put the SIM pin into this hole right here to eject the SIM tray. If you poke it in the wrong hole, then it will not work. It may even cause damage if you push too hard trying to eject the SIM tray. So if for some reason when you try to push it and it does not come out, double check to make sure you are putting the or inserting the SIM pin into the right place, which is this one over here. Okay, give it a try. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.